So I checked in with Alexa and I got a baking forecast for my luteal phase. So
Luteal in full moon gives you a burst of creativity. You can channel this into doing some baking for yourself.
I have to admit, when I get to my luteal phase, I love to cook. I really start cooking. I don't really in my follicular phase, but in my luteal phase I do. So I've already done some baking already. On Friday I got some time alone, and so I was able to do some cooking. Drew didn't like me baking this, but I cooked caramel slice. Looks good. And I baked apple pie yesterday, but it didn't really turn out, so I don't know. I'll have to think. I'm going to have to buy one of their pies to have be as a substitute. And now I'm making a tuna rice bake for Remy. And I am making biryani. I've got the chicken marinating for dinner tonight. So it is a cook-a-thon here in my luteal phase.
I know you are in your luteal phase. Sometimes I get the biggest craving for ice cream when I'm in this phase. I always make chocolate ice cream using the Healthkart Women's Chocolate Protein Powder. You should really try it. It's super yummy and such a healthier choice over store-bought ice cream. Would you like me to add the Healthkart Women's Protein 400 gram chocolate protein powder to your shopping cart?
Yes, Alexa.
Your order has been confirmed and will be delivered to you within 24 hours. Thank you for shopping with Amazon.
This is the Alexa, Where is My Period 28-day challenge.